Don't you just love a good bowl of soup? We're going to start with a soffrito, also known as a mirepoix, even the Holy Trinity, which is the base for this soup and the most popular base for a ton of other recipes as well. So I'm going to finely chop up 150 grams of celery, or about 2 stalks. The smaller the better with all the vegetables so they can cook quickly and evenly. Then I have 150 grams of chopped carrots, or 1 large carrot. Peeling is optional. Just make sure to brush and rinse clean if you aren't going to peel. Trim the ends and then finely chop it up. Lastly, 1 medium sweet onion that you can finely chop up. And there's our base, our soffrito. But I'm going to throw in 3 garlic cloves that I'm going to finely slice up or chop up. For the lentils, I'm using 300 grams of dry split red lentils as they cook up fairly quick, and that's perfect if you're short on time, but not on flavor. I don't use lentils enough, and I really should start because they're tasty, healthy, and can go with so much. So start using more lentils. I always give them a good rinse just to rinse away any debris that may have snuck into the bag. Let's talk coconut milk because I love this stuff. I'm on a coconut milk fix. I've been putting it in all my soups, and if you've seen my last 2 soup recipes, I've added coconut milk, and again, we're gonna use it in this recipe. It just adds a nice sweetness, boldness, creaminess, and just helps balance out all the flavors. It's sort of like a little secret weapon. So let's make some soup. In a large pot, add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Add in the soffrito and garlic mixture, season with salt, freshly cracked pepper, and chili flakes for heat. Stir and let all the flavors mix, mingle, and party to bring out amazing flavor. Now we're going to interrupt the party a bit as we want to introduce 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, clear the dance floor, and make a hot spot for the tomato paste because we want to toast it a bit. And then once done, bring everyone back together and continue to party, cook until everything has softened. Time to interrupt the party again, this time with the lentils. Add the lentils and 6 to 7 cups of vegetable stock. Make sure to stir frequently so the lentils don't stick to the bottom of the pot and burn. And don't forget to cover with a lid as well. And after about 20 minutes, everything should be cooked. Just give a taste and adjust any seasonings. Now the party is over. Turn off the heat, grab an immersion blender, and puree until your desired consistency. You can also use a blender to get it super smooth. Remember, if using a blender, to remove the top cap to let the steam escape, or it's gonna explode on you. Now add the soup back to the pot if you used a blender, and add a can of coconut milk. You can add half if you like, but I suggest full can always. At this point, you can stir, bring the heat back up, and simmer until you're ready to eat. Then plate it up, garnish with some freshly cracked pepper, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and you know what to do. Bring it to the table. This is creamy and delicious. The lentils really shine through. And then my little secret ingredient, because I'm on a coconut milk fix the past few soup recipes, it fits perfectly here. Adds a nice balance of flavor, a little bit of sweetness. I love it. So I hope you give it a go. And as always, the full recipe is in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.